I lied to you not. There is no electricity in our building this morning. Welcome to China. We are going to have to hike down 39 steps, and we're going to start the timer to see how long it takes to get down, and we're going to try to record all the accidents as they occur.
Here we are. And this is the... Okay, where do we go? Oh, here, to the right. Okay. 39. Goodbye.
38.
I'm here. Can't see a thing. Okay, hang on. I think I get to the end here. I got to them at the end.
Now we reach the second floor. And there it is. No, we haven't. That was the third. Now we're down to the second. Oh, and the steps are uneven. Should be down to floor 1. I've never been so happy to see the ground in my life. Oh my word. I think they threw a few extras as we got closer to the bottom. Oh. Oh my word. Nothing's working. Oh. Look at all these people waiting for the elevator to begin.
How long did it take us?
There we go. He's in pretty good shape. Yeah. And it took us 13 minutes, almost about 14 minutes. Alright, on to Dendel.
We ran into some dark spots.
Yeah, some dark spots.
But we've read the book on the power of positive thinking, and we're ready to take the day on, no doubt about it. We're gonna go get them.
아니